DPO or Data Protection Officer training. Many people who want to become a data protection officer ask me this question. I want to be a DPO. What do I train? Which certification do I get? So let's examine the DPO role, the available certifications, and how you can become a DPO. Hello, my name is Punit Bhatia and I'm the owner and founder of a company Fit for Privacy. We are data protection experts and we help you with data protection compliance by creating, implementing privacy strategy and training your staff. So data protection officer certification, or how do you become certified DPO? Well, data protection officer, as we know, is a role which oversees implementation and compliance in an organization. To do that, it requires skills around communication. You need to be a strong communicator, being able to understand, being able to comprehend, and being able to communicate. There are some tough situations you need to handle. Then you need to be a very good stakeholder manager, because you connect with different people from different backgrounds. When you connect with a marketing person, it's different, and when you connect with a regulator, it's very, very different. And with a board member, it's even different, because you have a few minutes and you need to explain the situation. You need to be able to connect the dots, because the law says one thing, the marketing wants one thing, the company is doing something, context, situation, and the law, you need to interpret and connect the dots. Of course, you need to be a legal expert, that is, you understand privacy and associated laws. Last but not the least, you need to be an advisor. So if you have to have all these skills, you probably got to be a magic person. And if you are that magic person, Superman or Superwoman, how do you get certified? Well, there are many certifications available in the market, but the GDPR doesn't say anything like you need to be a lawyer, you need to be a technology expert, you need to be this, that it does not say. Of course, you need to understand technology and you need to be an expert in law. Some of the certifications which are available are, there is the Maastricht University and the Solvay Brussels University, which offer, and there are many other universities by the way, which offer a DPO certification. Then the world's leading International Association of Privacy Professionals, IAPP, provides the gold standard certificates around CIPP-E, that is Certified Information Privacy Professional Europe, and Certified Information Privacy Manager, CIPM. When you do both of these, you become what we call a fellow in information privacy, which is considered equivalent of a DPO certificate. And as I said, none recommended by the GDPR itself, but they go in that direction. And if you want to do this CIPP-E or CIPM, you can find the training courses with us at Fit for Privacy. We do provide online training for CIPP-E and CIPM, video-based content combined with email-based input and a practice test, so that when you go to IAPP and complete your certification, you have greater chances of success. The other question is sometimes asked, I am a technical person or I am an engineering person, can I become a DPO? The short answer is yes, as long as you can do the 5 things. You can communicate, you can manage stakeholders, you can connect the dots, you understand the law, and you can advise people. It's not an easy job. So do not think DPO is the only role. There are other roles in privacy like privacy analyst, privacy specialist, privacy consultant, privacy advisor, privacy manager, and so on. So do not get biased with just a DPO role, because DPO role, as I said, is a lot of responsibility and has complexity as well. If you can, of course, go ahead and do it. I'm not saying don't do it, but I'm saying there are other options as well. Sometimes lawyers ask, do I need to know technology? And I tell them, you do not need to know technology, you need to understand. It's like a CEO. The CEO understands sales, marketing, HR and everything, but he or she may not be an expert in everything. Same way, the DPO does not have to be an expert in each and every department in the organization, but needs to be an expert in his field, that is data protection officer role, and an understanding of all the roles or all the functions in the company, just like a CEO is. So in short, data protection officer is a complex role, and there is no prescribed certification by the GDPR, but there are universities like Solvay and Maastricht which offer certification, and many other. And then the world's leading International Association of Privacy Professionals, offer CIPP-E and CIPM, which done together combined is called Fellow in Information Privacy, and it's considered an industry equivalent for data protection training. And to do that training, you can follow it on our website, take the practice test, take the training, be certain, and then take the certification with IAPP. So that's all about data protection certification training, or data protection certificate, or GDPR DPO certificate. And with that, I will say stay safe, keep protecting data, and do like, do comment, and do share on this video, and your support matters. Thank you so much.